Hello, we are here at Denago Experience Center to present a video installation of the new Denago City Model bike. This process will be the same for step-through or top-tube models. First step is to establish a work area. Unbox the bike and remove. It's now time to unpack the small parts box. You will find all the tools you need and the quick start assembly guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the top cap bolt and cardboard sleeve. Leave the black washers in place. Next, lift the handlebars up to the ride-ready position. Place the stem on the steer tube. Note the bolt is already inside the stem. Place over the steer tube and tighten using your Denago 5mm multi-tool. Next, secure and tighten the two bolts under the stem. This is the front end alignment. Following, adjust the angle position of your handlebars. Next, install the small black plug that was included in your small parts box. Our next step is monitor installation. Remove the bolts, place clamps on either side of the stem and return the bolts and secure. It is encouraged to leave these bolts slightly loose so you can adjust the angle for best visibility. Last, add the front reflector to either side of the monitor and secure. Step 2. Remove the black plastic disc on the front wheel. Next, remove the front yellow disc block. Do not squeeze the lever as it could cause the brakes to misalign. Next, remove the black block in between the fork blades. Grab your front wheel, lift the front end of the bike and slide the wheel while lowering the bike and fork onto the wheel, aligning the axle and dropouts. Make sure the washers are on the outside of the fork blades, secure using your Denago wrench. Step 3. Open the seat clamp up and remove the seat. Grab the small pouch of grease that came with the small parts box and open. Apply a small amount of grease to the seat tube. Insert the seat to ensure it's always inserted below the minimum insertion mark. Secure quickly seat clamp. Add rear reflector to seat post. Step 4. Grab your pedals from the small parts box. Apply grease to the threads. Each pedal and each side of the crank is marked with a matching sticker. Grab the R pedal and go to the right side or drive side with gears of your bike. The right side pedal threads on clockwise or traditional threading. Secure and tighten with Denago pedal wrench. Grab the L pedal and go to the left side, the non-drive side of your bike. The left side pedal threads on counterclockwise. Secure and tighten with the Denago pedal wrench.